Classics back with another guide video, and I'm gonna be straight to the point with this guide video, and I'm gonna break it down as best as I can. Now, you know how a lot of y'all are struggling trying to get like in a party, record your content while wearing the headset and get everyone's audio, and there's like so many stupid methods and stupid ways to do it on YouTube. I consider them stupid and I'm super annoyed with it, and I figured out a way on how to do it, and it's honestly super quick and super easy. Now, the thing that I use is this bad boy right here. I know you see Halloween effects. It's the month of Halloween I recorded this, and I didn't feel like changing my transitions and all that for my streams. Oh yeah, and if you guys like entertainment stuff like that, creative stuff, horror, VR, and all that good stuff, and upcoming like popping hip hop games, oh my god, check me out on Twitch.
I can't talk. I'm such a weirdo.
But this bad boy, it's called Monster.
You're a monster with the raindrops and lollipops. Yes, I am a little weird.
You'll get over it. Just get over it. Anyways, it's a HDTV wireless headphones kit. Oh my god, this thing is so worth it. I honestly got this at Walmart. Oh, that might be a little too loud for you. I'm a little sorry, but it was like, I think I paid like 30. I think it was either 30 or 40. I can't remember. Anyways, it comes with a wireless headset, which everyone loves wireless, and it comes with a little adapter that you hook up to the back of the TV. Now, for those who are wondering the type of wires, I'm actually going to show you like little clips and stuff of it. Hold on. I'm going to show you the little clips and all that on here on the screen. I'm not going to just show it to you on here because it's kind of funky. It's hard to see. But the wire that matters to me is the RCA 3.5 mm adapter. Oh my god. I'm not that one. I'm sorry. The 3.5 mm audio cable, which is the white and red wire. Like you're hooking up your system for your speakers and stuff like that. You know how you can still hear the audio in the TV? That's what you want. That's what you need so you can pick up everyone's audio. That's the perfect solution to get everyone's audio recorded when you're streaming and stuff like that. Now, the way you do it with this, the way I talk to you guys when I'm using this type of a headset, I have it right here charging. That's it. This little tiny thing. And honestly, the sound works amazing. Just make sure you put L to left ear and R to right ear. Otherwise, the sound's gonna be funky and it's gonna be on the wrong side. Anyways, when you put this on, it's literally, you just press a little power thing. Now, when it comes to activating for the first time, you're supposed to hold the Bluetooth button on the little box, and then you're supposed to hold the little button on here. Once you hold it, it'll start flickering, letting you know it's trying to pick up a Bluetooth signal. They'll both be flickering. As long as they're both flickering, it should work. Now, you might have interference with other devices in your room, such as an iPhone. If you don't want it to pick up the iPhone, make sure your iPhone's not near the room, or turn off your little Wi-Fi pickup thing. Anyways, once you got that worked and picked up, I noticed when you have, like me, a mic like this, I use the Yeti to talk to everyone on PlayStation. I use the there you go, my bad. I accidentally disconnected the wire. But I use the Elgato mic for you guys so you can hear nice and clear. I use the Blue Yeti mic so they can hear me nice and clear.
Because the better the mic, the better the audience will like to interact with you. Because if your mic sounds all staticky, they're not gonna like it.
But yeah, I use those two things. And when it comes to the controls, and I notice when you have it with this, it's gonna act like it has a headset on. Well, you have it hooked up directly to your TV. You don't need a second headset for your PlayStation. So now all you gotta do is go to your settings on the top corner. I don't know how to do this on Xbox. I don't have an Xbox, otherwise I'll make a guide with that as well. But you're gonna come down to your devices. You're gonna go to audio. Right now it says Yeti stereo microphone, because technically you could hook up a headset to the Yeti mic. You don't want to do that. No. You're gonna go here, audio to TV. Now you're gonna have it blazing from the TV and from this. So I think that's pretty dope. It is super loud and I don't know, I like it. I like this a lot. Now, if you're worried about the whole TV thing, all you gotta do is just make sure you lower the audio on the TV so you don't get an echo recording. So once you lower the audio from the TV, this way the people in your party will not hear you. Now, to show you a perfect example of all this, all I gotta do is, and to make sure it's also working, because some people are like, well, how do you know if it's picking up everything? Well, if I go over here, I'll show you everything off my computer. This is my whole computer setup for those who are wondering. Oops, hold on. I'm gonna make it fit to screen so y'all can see everything. Now when it comes to my camera, I'm using my Logitech Brio. That's what you see up here on the title. So I have this running in the background so you can see it. And that's my monster green screen. If you guys need other guides and stuff like this, let me know in the comment section below. I'll put the playlist of all the stuff I helped people with in the past. As you can tell from my videos, if you watch my older stuff, I have been developing, improving all my content, my audio, my software, my everything. But yeah, this is my 4K capture card. This is what I use to capture everything. Now, it's not gonna pick up my audio. I don't want it to pick up the mic. Now, if I press this, it picks up this mic right here. But do I want it to pick up? No, I don't want it to pick up. So I'm just gonna keep it off. Because I'm recording everything. I don't want to record off the capture card. If you want to record off the capture card, this is perfect for gameplay. When you're recording just like this. Now, if you're just doing your live stream and everything, you want to interact with your viewers and don't want your face and all to be shown, that's when you do it on here. There's so many little neat tricks I've been learning along the way. The past couple weeks, I have been improving drastically. But now, to show this to you, I'm going to leave it on here so you can see me doing everything on the computer. So now that I'm set up like this, I'm going to go to a quick party. I'm going to join them for a little bit. I asked them if they could hear me just fine because I'm testing out my audio with my new headset. So you come here, PlayStation's a little wonky. You go to parties this way, and this is everyone that's in a party right now. But look, check this out. I'm going to pretend I'm not recording. So, you know what? Hold on. I'll put myself back on the camera. I'll put myself back in the camera so y'all can see me. But yeah, hold on. Make sure my audio's still recording. Yes, it is. All right, bet. Now I'm just gonna join the party and act like I'm not doing anything. Oh, hold on. How do you join? Oh, it's up there.
Special. Hi.
Oh, well, we not.
Hey, can y'all hear me clear or no?
Nope.
Yeah, Ruben, what's up, bud?
Okay.
Nope.
No, I'm just.
Oh
my
I
God.
can't hear you.
Then who you answering?
Okay, so Ruben, I was reading the chat. I just couldn't talk because I was focusing.
Oh no, that's fine. I was just messing with you. No, I'm just testing everything out. I'm just testing everything out right now because I'm using my Blue Yeti mic to talk to you guys, and then I'm using a TV headset to listen to the audio through my head. To listen to the audio so I could be able to use it for recording. I just want to make sure everything's working fine. So y'all could hear me, right?
Wait,
Okay, that's good.
do they actually make the songs play together on here?
Can I YouTube network? Oh wow, can I hear Havoc? All right, I'll be back.
Dope, dude. That is fucking dope.
Ah, there you go. There you go. Why does my thing look laggy? Huh. But if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, rage, hit me up in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.